Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to make a very classic Sichuan dish, double cooked pork. You can also call twice cooked pork. It's kind of overdue for me to showcase and share this dish with you. Very Sichuan, very delicious. Let me show you the ingredients. I have about 12 ounce pork belly. So for this dish, we have to have meat with some fat. You can see we have some fat, or you can use other cut like pork shoulder, but you need some fat. And of course I have a Sichuan peppercorns, sliced ginger, and this is the broad bean paste with chili oil. I normally call spicy broad bean paste. This must have for this dish. And this one is fermented black bean paste, optional. And normally we use fermented black beans. If you have just fermented black beans, go ahead and use that. And let me cut the leeks. So for this dish, typically we use the Chinese leeks like this. You can see it's longer, thinner than the regular leeks. You can use regular one. You cannot, if you cannot find Chinese leeks. And if you don't have leeks, you can just substitute with bell peppers. And I'm just going to slice it, smash a little bit, and slice like this. Yeah, the Chinese leeks is more garlicky. Like I said, I have more flavors. And the next I'm going to sear the pork. I'm heating up my wok to high until it smokes. Now you can see the wok is smoky. Turn off and skin done. So if you have a piece of meat without skin, just skip this step. It's kind of re-seasoning my wok, right? While we're doing that, this basically helps to remove any porky taste, and also help to remove the hair if there's any on the skin. Now I'm going to wash off the pork and my wok. Here's the first step of double cooking. We're going to boil the pork. I added the cold water, just enough to cover the pork, and I'll add a few slices of ginger and some Sichuan peppercorns. They all will help to remove the porky taste. So we'll bring this to boil. Now it's boiling. We just need to skim the top a little bit. And we'll turn the heat to medium and let cook about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, we're going to take out the pork and into a bowl of cold water. Come on, pork. Let it cool off before we slice it. Now the pork is cooled off. Let me just dry it with paper towels. And we're going to cut thinly into slices. Now pork all sliced, and we're ready to stir fry. I'm heating up my wok to high, add just a little bit of oil to coat the pan. Since we're going to render the fat out of the pork, add the pork. We'll take a few minutes to render all the fat, and we'll cook till the pork golden brown. You can see our pork is golden brown and the oil is rendered out, and we can take some out. Now we add the fermented black bean sauce and the stem of the leeks, and a little bit of cooking wine. Broad bean paste and some huajiao, Sichuan peppercorns, and ginger slices. Still have some. Smells so good. Last, we add our leeks, leaves, and let me just taste quickly. Just a little bit soy sauce. And pinch of sugar to balance the softness. Our double cooked pork is ready. Smells so good. My rice is ready, so am I. Let me try it. So savory. The broad bean paste, black bean, fermented black bean. So good to go with rice. And the pork is rendered. You saw we got a lot of oil out. So it has fat, but doesn't taste so fatty. Please try to make at home. Actually, this dish brings back a lot of memories of my childhood and my hometown. Whenever my dad came home with a piece of pork, he said, we're gonna have, of course in Chinese, 回锅肉. We're like, yay! Yeah, it's so delicious. And please leave a message below if you ever had double cooked pork. I will list all the ingredients in the description box as usual. So good. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.